Hello and welcome to our how-to video on the Resource Assignment Wizard in Mission Control. Resource Assignment Wizard is a tool we can use to manage our resources efficiently. It provides us with the ability to search for the most appropriate resource that can be assigned to an action based on certain parameters. For example, team membership, skill set, skill proficiency. We can then assign those resources as additional contributors to an action or even change the action owner. Let's have a look at the Resource Assignment Wizard. There are a number of places where we can access the Resource Assignment Wizard. We'll start with the Overview tab inside a project record. We can start by creating an action using the Create Actions button from here. As you can see, I've already entered in the details. I've given it a few billable and non-billable hours, as well as a start and end date, and I've assigned myself as the action owner. We can click Save and go back to the project record. We can expand the milestone actions and find the action that we need to assign resources to using this icon here. On the left-hand side, you'll find the action owner and contributors. Each action must have one action owner, and an action can have multiple contributors. We can start by doing our manual search. So let's say I'm going to need someone on this team, Chris maybe, and I'm going to need him to do 2 billable hours and 2 non-billable hours. We can click the plus icon, or we can use search filters to narrow down or find out potential resources. Let's say I'm going to need developers and someone who's knowledgeable in HTML. Click search, and as you can see, I've got 2 potential resources. But I can see that Arthur is very busy. He's working 8 hours throughout this week. And you can click on each one of these billable or non-billable hours to find out what he's working on. But for now, I'm just going to add Kim as a contributor and assign her 20 hours and 5 non-billable hours. And this is going to be for the course of 3 weeks. The hours have been evenly distributed. We can also narrow down the results to remove any resources that might be unavailable. We can do that by setting the number of hours that per day or per week, or we can also set that as a percentage. But for that, we'd have to set this to percentage from here. We can also define the capacity that we want to set for the green breakpoint or the red breakpoint. But for now, I'm just going to say I don't want anyone who is already scheduled to work 40 hours for this week. And it's automatically going to remove Arthur from here. So let's click Save. And now there's a new icon, has contributors, and it's showing that Kim is assigned to this action, and it's going to be doing 20 billable hours and 5 non-billable hours. We can also access the Resource Assignment Wizard from the Whiteboard. We can click on the eye icon and click on the icon from here. We can also access the Resource Assignment Wizard from the Gantt chart. Double click on an action and access it from here. We can also access it in the Project Builder, where we can click on the pencil icon to edit an action and access it from here. Or we can go to the Scheduler and access it from here. And finally, we can also access it from the Action Pad. Thank you for listening in. Please do check out some of the resources mentioned here, and feel free to reach out to us if you have any questions.